First thing is that if you switch the rows, that is basically going to change the sign of the determinant. So if your determinant of A is equal to 3 and you switch the rows, that means that your determinant of A will be equal to -3. So switching the rows changes it to a negative sign, whatever the determinant might have started out as. Now, the second thing that happens if you multiply by a constant, so if you take the determinant and you multiply it by a constant k for one of the rows, so either row 1, row 2, or what have you, that is going to basically change it by k times that constant. And this notation's a little loose here. This k here means that you're multiplying by just one row by that constant. Then what will happen is that you'll be changing it by k times the determinant of A. So what will happen is if you start off with a determinant that is equal to -3 because you switch the rows. Then what will happen is if you multiply the first row by 6, that's going to multiply the determinant by a factor of 6. And if you multiply the second row by 2, that's going to change your determinant by a factor of 2. So your new determinant will be -36 of that new matrix. So the determinant of the new matrix will be -36.